Welcome back to the channel. Here is how you can change photos on Bumble. First of all, open the dating app and then go to your profile. Tap on your profile and go to edit profile. In the photos and videos section, you can either add new photos, delete the existing photos, or change the location of your photos. If you want to change the location of your photos on the Bumble profile, simply tap and hold that specific picture like this and place it where you want it to be. Remember that your main picture on your profile has to be a clear photo that shows your actual face. So if you want to change your main photo, then drag the other photo and place it in the place of the main photo. In this way, you can change your photos on the Bumble dating app. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.